Yeah, hello everyone. So today we'll be discussing on one important topic, which is startups becoming a new asset class. As you all know, traditionally we've been making investment. Everybody make investments, and in order to get deduction and ATC, as well as investments for future life. So we have certain asset classes. It may be like fixed deposit, it may be going to the government bond or national pension scheme, or it may be investment into the stock market either directly, uh, going and purchasing the shares, listed shares, or through the mutual funds. So these are the, as well as there's one more asset class everybody in India are more interested about, that is the real estate. uh, and that is like going and making investment into the plot, land, residential building, or commercial complexes. So these are the type of the asset classes which we all know and we all being familiar with. Now, the type of the demographic that India has, the type of the growth story that India is having, and the entire world is looking at, it is not only like the Indian investors, but across the globe, the investors are looking into India, seeing the story, uh, the unicorns. Every day you hear about the unicorns story, close to 108 unicorns already being in India. So everyone understands, get excited, like if I also want to make investment into the startup, how to go about that. First thing first, it is the most risky asset class, I would say, because of the failure rates, because the probability of success is less. But again, if you understand the philosophy, if you understand the matrix of creation of the portfolio for the startups, then in a longer run you will understand that how even one of the two of the companies where you made investment, they have created a lot of value, a lot of wealth for you. So the question is, we need to understand first the segment the startup is into, whether we understand it or not. Then secondly, we start making investment into the startup slowly and gradually. A certain percentage of your free surplus or the money which you go and make investment into the asset class, out of that a certain percentage, suppose maybe 8%, 10%, you can make investment into the startups. So you start slowly and then you gradually start understanding it more. And then you should also bear in mind that it is not like for just 1 year, today I make investment, 1 year down the line I will take an exit. So it is not like that. You should have an appetite at least for like looking into forward 3 to 4 years down the line. Then only the value creation can be created by any startup. So now, for investment into the startups, how to go about that, that may be a question point. Should I go and meet the founders and say that, okay, I have the money, I want to make investment into your startup? Or should I go to the alternate investment funds? Now, alternate investment funds, these are the fund where you as an angel investor can join, but the criteria is you should have a minimum net worth of your own. Minimum is 2 crores of rupees. Now suppose I being a salaried guy, and if I earning good money as my salary component, now I want to make investment, but I am not in a criteria of 2 crore net worth. Then how to go about that? So then there are angel network platforms, and these angel network platform, you go and register yourself. They will arrange the pitches, the cohort, and you look at those pitches, cohort. Then suppose you feel interested about in one or the two of the startup, then you can always talk one to one with the founders, understand more, and then you can always make investments. So it is here like you are not making any investment into angel network platform, but you are through this platform you are making investment directly into the company. So when you are making directly, you are coming in the cap table of the company, and you're getting the certificate, that is the shareholder certificate with you. So this is how it works. And so the the growth at which and the quantum at which the India is growing, and if we miss this bus, then we never be able to create a return on our investment to a level which these startups can help in creating. Then we'll be always be in that normal parlance, maybe average return on my investment in my traditional asset classes, maybe in the range of suppose 12-13%. But if I need more, if you can take risk more, then you can create a better return for yourself. Okay. uh, the caution point is it is the most risky asset class, but again, it is something which is worthwhile investing, because it is the only asset class which can create a lot of value proposition if you manage your portfolio properly. So that's for today, and let's meet some other time.